And a very good afternoon here on the 4th of June 2018. Rishi Patel, co-founder, Master of the Markets, the Elite Traders Conference, and the Traders Open Day. And welcome to this live trading update video on the dollar Japanese yen, which is just in the lead up to the two-day Traders Basecamp workshop as well, which is taking place on the 9th and 10th of June 2018. And a couple of things here on this dollar yen trade. So, first of all, we have entered the market long based on the criteria of liftoff. So liftoff is one of the trading models we trade here in the live trading room here at Master of the Markets. And you can see that we initially had this inside bar set up. We call them IBs just here, and we had a breakout of that on Friday. So what did we do? We didn't place the order on Friday. In fact, we only placed the order last night. You'll probably be able to see that from where the order has actually triggered, which was only at 3 p.m. This afternoon. So it's only roughly about 3 hours ago that that trade has triggered. And you can see what's happened here is the market has pulled back and filled us into the trade. So let's have a look at what we did here exactly. We placed a limit order, a buy limit order on the high of this bar here. This is of course what we call IB minus 1. It's one of the three types of turning points, and if you haven't already seen that instructional video by us on our YouTube channel, it is of course there. But one of the three types of turning points is an IB minus 1, and you can see that the IB minus 1's high has been broken. As a result of that and 10 other criteria that we look for on Liftoff 3.0, we have entered this particular market with a limit order. Now also observe, we actually placed our limit order just here. So that means the market had to come back down, fill us into the trade, and then continue on higher. If I actually drill this down to a 1 hour chart, you'll see that what we have done at this time is caught the low actually of the market in our limit order. So we actually placed this late last night, and you can see as it's a pending order, we don't need to be by the screen because it's just 15 minutes a day. It's an end of day trade. You can see that the market did move higher, and then it came back, and you can see at 1 p.m. today it actually came back and it filled our limit order, and then it started to climb higher. So we have actually caught the low here on the market, and we're expecting of course the upside to carry on. So regardless of whether this is a profitable or a losing trade, we're going to assess this at the two-day Traders Basecamp workshop, which will be taking place on the 9th and 10th of June. Because at Master of the Markets, that's what we do here. We not only apply the theory to practice, but we also take the trades ourselves as well. As part of the company accounts, you actually see all of that transparently and real time. So this is the Liftoff 3.0 trading strategy. You can see currently on the dollar yen long, we are climbing higher, £116 of net profit at the moment. Not really too much. We're expecting upside on this, I believe, of around £1,500, which is all the way up here at 109, 11275, our target, which is just above this swing high just here. We're expecting the price to continue on. So we'll continue to monitor that. It's a live real-time update. The next update to this will be in a live trading room at 9 p.m. this evening. But regardless, as I said, we will analyze this particular trade on the two-day workshop, which is coming up next weekend. Of course, the core benefit of that being live real-time market analysis at Traders Basecamp. That's one of the biggest advantages of course, being there in person. So we look forward to giving you that update very soon. Until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your plan, and trade like a master. Bye for now.